I think you need to get a new kidney. Dude, I'm late for class. See ya.
Oh my god, dude, are you okay?
Oh, sweet catharsis. Fidget spinners. The new modern trend. The big thing. Well, what if I told you that they were one big government conspiracy? To better understand the truth behind fidget spinners, we first need to understand their societal impact in the global economy. Yes, that's right, you heard me. Fidgetirius rotundum, as it's well known in the scientific world, was based with CW ball bearings in China. Yes, China. What does China have to do with anything? We'll get back to it. Either way, CW ball bearings were threatening gas consumption in cars. And what cars need to run? Oil. That's right. Fidget spinners have to do with the oil market, which the US is a high standing in, and I'm feeling something else coming on.
Tested gay bomb on Iraq.
I mean, what do these even have to...
Snap out of it.
Where was I? Yeah, I'm fine. Let's just keep going. So with that understood, ball bearings, we needed to manufacture more of them. And where did we have to put them? Where do you think? What is the most susceptible market here in the United States? The most volatile thing on the planet? That's right, children's toys. Oh, I'm getting really psyched up about this right now. Woo! So, now that we had all these ball bearings in hand, and they were implanted in children's toys, what purpose did they have? Three properties of the Fidgetirius rotundum that I can prove to you have government funding behind them. Let's go to the first one. This here is a non-American fidget spinner. Let's give it a spin. Normal, right? I want you to get a close-up shot of this. This here is an American-made fidget spinner. Incredible, right? It's just impossible. How have they done this? This is psychiatric treatment. Implanted it in every popular toy here in America. It's a goddamn crime, I tell you. A goddamn crime! So this next property, all right, pretty simple. Properties of physics, I call it Trumpism. You see, they decided to put experimentation with the light waves that come off these fidget spinners, okay? All right? Because Trump doesn't want to be listened to because he's a moron. Got it? Here, we could test this principle right now. Watch. You have to watch closely. First spinner, right? Easy. Second spinner, right? If we watch the bottom spinner very closely, slow it down just right, it starts to disappear. It's starting to disappear. See, that's what he wants. This is all an experiment, all right? This is an experiment using the entire human population to prove that he can't be listened to. Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me.
Fuck you.
Do you think this is a joke? Do you think this is a joke? He thinks this is a joke. Do you think these cure ADHD? Yeah, it's all one big conspiracy, all right? Just stop being a sheep. Stop being a sheep.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home.
I think it's gonna be so.
Do you think these are funny? You think this is a joke?
It's trash.
She thinks this is a joke.
It's a joke.
This is not a joke. This is one big conspiracy theory. All right? This is gonna get you to buy less oil.
Yeah, well.
This is mind control. Look at it. Look.
Thanks.
Stop being a sheep. Stop being a sheep.
Okay.
Stop being a sheep.
Spray PCP on the tree, Jacob's ladder. You think PCP?
Stop being a sheep.
Some horse tranquilizer, something?
Who the fuck do you think you are, huh? Huh? Look at that.
I've never actually held one of these before.
Her mind's been wiped. Everyone's used these, okay?
What is it?
It's mass mind control, that's what it is. It's
I
Trump
thought it was called
getting
a
in your
fidget
head.
spinner.
It's getting in your head. Fidgetirius rotundum. That's the real name, It's all one big government job. They're just trying to get you to buy more of these. You know why?
Steven, is this yours?
Who's
No.
Steven? Huh?
Steven's behind the phone.
See? There's no one here. They're all off playing with their fidget spinners and juggling their ding-dongs. I'm gonna go watch some InfoWars. Stop following me. Stop filming me! Dude, stop! You think this is all one big joke? Huh? You think I'm crazy? Huh? This is crazy. Okay, let's get away. I'm all tangled in wires. It's what they want. It's what they want. When will they see the truth? When will they understand? When will they understand? It's not fair. I think I'm having another attack.
People didn't naturally
Call the
have
paramedics.
sexual feelings. I'm not even getting into it, quite frankly. Give me a break. You think I'm like a shot by son of a like gay people? I don't like them.
Chemtrails. Alex Jones. They're spiking the weed.
I feel like maybe we should get a vape so that we can relax, bro.
Vape? Vape! That's one too! You go take your vape, alright? Just know that Obama is camping on a pile of money that he got from you from all the vapes. It's all part of the plan. It's all part of the plan. Tim Tebow, hear my prayer. Just let the fidget spinners go away. Also the voices in my head.